Soundproofing your indoor or outdoor doors with sound panels is an effective way to reduce noise transmission. First, assess the door's structure. Exterior doors are typically more prone to noise due to weatherproofing gaps and thin materials. A solid, heavy door is ideal for soundproofing. Interior doors are usually thinner, and soundproofing focuses more on reducing sound leakage around the edges. Use weatherstripping or door seals around the edges of the door frame to minimize sound leakage. Consider applying a door sweep at the bottom of the door for further protection. If the door has windows, you may need to apply soundproof window inserts or use acoustic caulk around the edges to seal any gaps. There are acoustic foam panels used for interior doors and work well in reducing echoes. There are mass-loaded vinyl, MLV panels, which are dense and flexible, making them a great option for soundproofing doors because they can block low-frequency sounds effectively. Before installing, measure your door's dimensions to ensure you purchase or cut panels to fit. Use spray adhesive or double-sided tape to attach foam panels directly to the door. Ensure they cover as much of the surface as possible. MLV are heavier, so you may need to use screws or nails to attach them to the door. You can place them directly onto the door or sandwich them between layers of plywood for added mass. To maximize soundproofing, it's important to cover as much of the door as possible. You may also want to use multiple layers of materials for better performance. Start your soundproofing journey with ArrowZoom today.